Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something everyone knows but few understand: why trust feels so fragile in the brain. That gut-wrenching moment when someone betrays you or lets you down, it's more than emotion. Your brain reacts as if survival is at stake. Imagine this: a friend breaks a promise, or someone you love lies to you. Instantly, your chest tightens, your stomach twists, and your mind races. That pain. Your anterior cingulate cortex lights up, the same part of your brain that senses physical pain. Trust literally feels like it's been hurt. At the same time, your amygdala, the brain's alarm system, fires up. Stress hormones flood your body. Your heart races. Hands sweat, and your brain goes on high alert. Betrayal triggers a survival response because, evolutionarily, being left out or deceived could be dangerous. Here's why trust is fragile: forming it activates the prefrontal cortex, which controls reasoning and decision-making. But breaking it hijacks your brain's emotional circuits instantly. One act of dishonesty or betrayal can outweigh months of positive interactions in your neural wiring. That's why rebuilding trust takes so long. It's not just emotional, it's biological. Even stranger, your insula, which links emotion and bodily sensation, makes trust violations feel physical. That sinking feeling in your chest or the knot in your stomach. That's your brain mapping social pain onto your body. Trust hurts, and your body knows it. But there's hope. Awareness and consistent positive experiences can retrain your brain. Repeated acts of honesty and reliability slowly strengthen the prefrontal circuits, helping repair trust over time. The brain is capable of healing, but it needs evidence, patience, and care. So next time trust feels fragile, remember, it's not weakness. Your brain evolved to protect you from harm, reward honesty, and keep relationships safe. Understanding this helps you navigate connections wisely and rebuild trust when it's broken. If this video helped you understand why trust feels so fragile, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever had trust broken in a way that felt physical? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, your brain experiences trust deeply, but it can also heal if nurtured.